Welcome, fellow gearheads and tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the future of automotive innovation with our 15 coolest car gadgets exploring. Buckle up, as this is the ultimate car tech extravaganza. Let's roll. 70mm Dash Cam Omni, featuring patented 360D full-view recording for a comprehensive view with no blind spots. Equipped with AI parking surveillance, AI motion detection, and time-lapse recording, it ensures continuous monitoring and precise event detection. The f1.5 large aperture and PureCell Plus S HDR technology deliver outstanding image quality even in low-light conditions. Collision detection and buffered emergency recording capture incidents accurately, providing peace of mind on the road. With built-in GPS and route tracking, this dash cam offers real-time trip data for added safety and insurance claims. Introducing the QROV, a groundbreaking 510-degree smart dash cam, capturing a complete view around your car. This dash cam isn't just about its wide field of view, it comes loaded with features to enhance your driving experience. Boasting 5K recording, 4G LTE connectivity, dual-lens real 360-degree recording, GPS tracking, night vision, and SOS emergency calling. The QROV enhances safety by recording potential incidents, provides peace of mind with remote monitoring, ensures convenience through GPS tracking, and offers advanced features for a comprehensive view. A powerful and versatile dash cam, the QROV is recommended for those prioritizing safety and vehicle protection. HUMBRA FIREFLY, the ultimate hitch-mounted canopy system designed for seamless connection to your receiver, providing maximum utility and weather protection wherever your travels take you. Setting up in under 90 seconds without tie-downs or stakes, it's a breeze to deploy and pack away. With a robust 3-point anchor system tested to withstand winds up to 25 mph, HUMBRA FIREFLY stays securely tethered to your vehicle. Experience adaptability with optional canopy extensions and sidewalls for added privacy and expanded coverage. The Minimal Tag, a cutting-edge car gadget on Kickstarter, seamlessly integrates into your driving experience. This smart device, replacing traditional keys, acts as a compact remote for car functions via Bluetooth. Offering real-time traffic updates through GPS integration, it helps navigate efficiently. The tag simplifies parking with automatic location tracking and effortless payment options. Elevate your driving with the Minimal Tag, fusing convenience and innovation for a smarter, more connected journey. Meet the VEVOR low-profile floor jack, your go-to for powerful lifting with a 3-ton capacity. Whether you're a professional, car enthusiast, or DIYer, it's perfect for tire changes, oil maintenance, or brake work. With a lifting range from 11 to 16, it suits various vehicles and speeds up the process with its dual parallel pump system. Crafted from sturdy steel and aluminum, it's both robust and lightweight. The 4-wheel design ensures easy maneuvering, while rubber saddle and foam handle bumper offer maximum vehicle protection. The 360-degree rotatable saddle and detachable 45 long handle provide convenience, making it secure, efficient, and easy to store. Unleash the unrelenting, unrivaled power of the LED Chase light bar. Crafted with a distinctive stair-steps LED layout and a rugged aluminum body, this UTV light bar stands alone in strength and aggression. Boasting amber strobes and a central white scanner with 8 flash patterns, it cuts through dust like a sledgehammer. The ignition start light sequence declares dominance, and our strobe override system offers functional versatility. With an easy install, this light bar seamlessly integrates into your UTV, making a bold statement on and off the trail. Bump 360 XL Front License Plate Bumper Guard, a quick and easy solution for universal bumper protection. With under 10-minute installation, it fits any front bumper, shielding against bumps, dents, and scratches. Designed for cars, SUVs, trucks, and vans, its heavy-duty EVA blend ensures 360-degree protection, while the patent-pending design safeguards license plates. Built to withstand all weather conditions, it includes drain holes and maintains shape. Offering peace of mind for parked cars, it's a cost-effective solution and a perfect gift for new drivers. Discover the next evolution in car care with Adam's advanced graphene ceramic spray coating. Unlike standard ceramic coatings, this is a true graphene coating, setting a new industry standard. Featuring patent-pending ceramic glow technology, UV tracers activate under UV blue light, ensuring every spot is covered. Effortlessly coat your entire vehicle with user-friendly graphene chemistry, making it a powerful addition to your detailing kit. Experience convenience on the go with a 2023 upgraded extendable cup holder, no interference with adjacent cup holders or shifters. Adjustable diameter fits various containers securely, accommodating bottles, drinks, coffee mugs, snacks, and fast food cups. The expandable base suits most car cup holders, enhancing convenience in cars, trucks, RVs, and more. Unleash power with the cordless impact wrench, 400 Nm torque to handle any lug nut or bolt. Comes with a 20 volts battery, fast charger, belt clip, and carrying case. The lithium-ion battery ensures longer work times. With a 2700 max IPM rate, it matches pneumatic tools impact, making it ideal for various applications from automotive repairs to heavy equipment maintenance. And to make life even easier, the built-in LED charge indicators let you know when to recharge. Fast, efficient, and versatile, this wrench is a must-have for any toolkit. VEVOR Dent Puller Kit, a top-tier paintless dent repair toolkit, offers superior quality with upgraded tools. The gold dent lifter adjusts for various dent sizes, the bridge dent puller is adjustable, and the stainless steel 2-in-1 slide hammer provides versatility. Preserving original paint, these tools are designed for easy cleaning. With solid puller tabs in 20 different shapes and sizes, along with sticky glue sticks, this kit ensures effective and durable dent repair. Elevate your dent repair experience with VEVOR. TrueMod's LED taillights, bringing the bold JL style to your resilient JK Wrangler. Crafted for toughness, these lights boast a rock-solid build with solid aluminum construction, ABS housing, and a polycarbonate lens. Perfect for conquering challenging trails. Shine brighter with super high-intensity TBT illumination, preventing rear-end collisions and ensuring enhanced visibility while backing up. Engineered to prevent flickering, these lights feature a built-in resistor for a clear dashboard and reliable light performance. CARTOOL M95 GPS inclinometer, a smart slope meter that provides real-time detection of your vehicle's horizontal tilt angle. Equipped with safety alert slope alarms, GPS Beidou dual channels, and 6 display interfaces, it offers comprehensive driving data. The wide application makes it suitable for various vehicles, providing safety alerts and accompaniment. The smart LCD display, made of high-temperature resistant ABS material, ensures accurate viewing day or night. Equip your loved ones with safety using our DOT-compliant LED flares, the perfect gift for new drivers. This car emergency kit includes 6 LED safety discs with 18 installed batteries, a carry bag, multi-tool, bonus batteries, car seatbelt cutter, and a whistle. Don't settle for cheap flares without batteries. This upgraded design ensures long-lasting use. Crush-proof and waterproof, these LED discs offer day and night safety with 15 LEDs and 9 flashing modes. Say goodbye to traditional flares and embrace the safety of non-burning LEDs. Introducing the Vagueior cordless pressure washer, featuring a robust 950 psi motor for efficient dirt removal. The high-capacity 4.0 Ah battery ensures 45 minutes of usage, compatible with various electric tools. Weighing only 2.5 pounds, its cordless design offers portability, while the self-priming function reaches up to 13 feet. Equipped with 3 nozzles, including a 6-in-1 option, this pressure washer is versatile for outdoor tasks like car cleaning, garden maintenance, pool cleaning, window washing, and more. Thanks for watching. You can buy these products using my links. All the product links are mentioned in the video description. Let's meet with a new video next time.